Down in Snoring, would you believe, which is where we left or landed last time. So we're just going to carry on around the country. Got my head tracking on. Just got to get off this grass. Have a look which way the wind's going. Oh yeah, well, we can't mistake that. Oh, he's a nice colour. Got the things in for him. Never mind. Taxi along this way. Because it's took us a battle to get this actually working. We'll just taxi along here while we'll get our oil pressure up. I've got quite a crosswind. Shouldn't be stuck in the mud though. Oil pressure's taking a while to get up. Let's have a look at the old scoreboard. That would be a reason why. Let's put my tyres back on. How dare it? Stop putting them on. There we go. Thing, hey? Got to feel the pumps on. Don't need the pilot heat. Let's see what's going on here. Alright, now we got action. I hate when the computer takes over. Yeah, this is a very thin runway in the centre there. So what we'll do is just head our heading straight ahead of us. You can see on the map on the right we're fairly well heading towards the coast. Stick some flaps on and stick the engine on. We haven't got a full tank, so just get it. Whoa, there goes that wind. Oh, yeah, almost mammy. That's a strong one. That's not good. What about 60% on the left and right, so it should be alright. We'll let out of the coast and put the undercarriage up. Do a little bit of levelling out here. I think that's plenty high enough really to do what we want to do today, so we'll hit the power on. Yeah, and see if we can get a hold altitude. No, it still wants to climb. Head that way. Oh, now I'm going to keep the cool. I say I don't know where we're going to go, to be honest. There's a large airfield down to the left of us there. We've got a smaller one up the top here. And looking at how this goes, we're coming up to the wash area. So we're just going to turn left just slightly, head out towards the harbour up here. What I might do is, if I can get it to run, bear with me, we'll get SkyNG to work and start the server. We'll be able to get a little bit of more detailed map, hopefully. Get chucked around. Right, SkyNG doesn't want to work. So we just continue here. Normally I would have my maps up and running, but something's not right here. Got that map, shows you aircraft, and then we've got, that's about it really. No other maps available, apart from the one down here. Doesn't really give us any information. What's behind here? Nothing behind us. I say, coming up to this wash area. Got this enclave here. I was expecting a harbour, to be honest with you. But it's just an enclave. It's interesting. I wonder what's there in real life. Country guns around. Hang on, where you going? Don't want to go out that way. Let's take that old part off for a second. Let's get back in here. Well, this is the bottom corner This is, I say, known as the wash area where the military do their training. Say the wash areas where the aircraft do their testing, and they've got target ranges out here. I wonder if they've got a lot of flooding down there at the minute. What's going on here? Upraft there. This is live weather, but I'm considering taking live weather off. Because it kind of spoils the flight. Miles down there, it looks like. With today's climate, I don't know whether I want to be on the front. I'm fairly close to the front. The waves are quite wavy today. Just having a zoom up on the old maps here to see where we've got on the coastline. There's a EG off to the left. EGUE. That might be worth this is just up on the top half here. EGUE. I don't know what place that is. Or shall we go up to the main airport? Certainly getting chopped around up here. No ships, not that I can see. See, it's a grass airfield, I think the EGUE is. As I say, this area was first line defence, so there was lots of airfields scattered around. Tell you what, let me change the weather stabilise this picture. Why did we get airsick? Think. There you go. Skies, that's right. Few clouds. Fair skies better. Right, so where are we? Heading directly towards airfield in a minute. Back to the right. Down there somewhere. The grass, be a grass one if anything. Off our nose. I just can't see it. Maybe it's a little bit further in. Yeah. Let's see if we can land there, shall we? Go off autopilot. Good 5,000 feet up, so need to lower our heights. Put some flaps on to slow us down a little bit. Very picturesque, isn't it? All little towns. Can we over the top of it? Have a circle to see if we can see it. Flaps down a little bit if I can get it to work. But I think I've got a failure on the flaps. What about the gear? It's working. So we should be down here somewhere. Said that would looks like an airfield, but it's not. Definitely across this way. farm. Don't see any windsogs. Ah, here. There's an aeroplane. So it's got to be this field. Always a good place to find good food if there's an aeroplane. There's always there. Probably lined the wrong way. Probably would have hit the cables. Yeah, definitely lined the wrong way. Oh, bouncy, bouncy. Get this farmer to smooth that out. Suppose we better taxi back around. Don't know if it's gonna let me. Oh well, we're stuck. Over a hill and far away. Yeah, definitely lying on the wrong way that way. Definitely bumpy. See why I bounced. Oh, like that one. Yes, definitely. Definitely landed the wrong way. Here's another bump here. Goodness gracious. Okay, didn't hit the power cables. We'll park up down here. That's our flight for today. We'll carry on further up north on the next trip because I've got to get fuel and everything else. Well, that's nice. What an idiot. Are you my service? Hello. Oh well, at least come out to meet me. Right, catch you on the next one. Bye for now.